ही आहे दीपल, ही दीपलची शाळा होली मेरे कॉन्व्हेंट हायस्कूल. आणि हा आहे मी. इथे आलो आपण विज्ञान प्रदर्शन बघायला, जे शाळेतल्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी भरवलेलं आहे. आणि इथे आपण आत्ताच विज्ञान प्रदर्शन बघून झालेलं आहे. आणि आमचे दीपाल, ही त्यांची शाळा. हो हो. आणि इथे आमची गाडी भरलेली आहे, तर आम्ही निघूयात. Good morning.
I Padil Kanishka and she is Sachi Patil. So today we have met Parliament House of India,
the old building,
which is established on 18th Jan 1927. The Parliament is the seat of Parliament of India. It houses the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The President of Parliament has power to summon and to prorogue either the Parliament or to dissolve the Lok Sabha. The functions of parliaments are to pass the law, to represent the citizen interest, and to monitor the actions of government. Thank you.
Good. Very good. No, बोलना है इधर. करना पड़ेगा.
Last 18th to 19th century, it developed how industries and factories developed. It changed how we live. People led to urbanization. This is earthquake. Myself is Jagat Kumar. I am studying in standard 5th and my division is B. This is earthquake. See how these peoples are going now. So this is the earthquake.
It causes various diseases like breathing disorders and heart diseases.
This is the capital and states. If this is like Patna and this is Bihar. See, it is right answer. If I will do it is wrong answer, it will not like.
Very good. Very good.
Good morning. This is
Good morning.
the project on pollution. Because of the industries, nowadays many pollution starting from small vehicles to industries, pollution is emitted. Industries emit smokes and causes waste production. It is very harmful for the environment, and the waste produced by the industry enters the water bodies and causes harm to the water bodies, which creates acids in the water, and it will be harmful for us later. Not now, but later.
Yes. Good. Very good. बोल बेटा, क्या माहिती?
त्याच्यामध्ये स्मोक डिटेक्टर आहे. स्मोक डिटेक्टरच्या मला वॉटर स्पार्कल होईल आग लागल्यावर.
Life cycle of butterfly.
Cycle of butterfly. Egg. After that, it transfers into larva or its pupa. Then it comes to pupa, and then it forms as an adult butterfly.
What is this? Brain working with why?
This is an object that we see from our eye. This is how the nerves take the signal through our retina. We see the inverted image from our eye. Through the optic nerves, our brain takes a signal through which we can recognize the object. Thank you. What is this? This is soap.
Good morning.
This is red soap.
LPG gas.
This detects the smoke also, alcohol also, and gases also.
Life saver.
Life.
As you can see, the fire. It is here. Fire. It is there to rescue the people and save the lives of the people. This lift is made to rescue the people in the basement of this. On the basement. Now I will show you.
in Vedic civilization, Aryans sent their children to Gokul. There are four gods. There are four castles: Brahman, Vishal, Shudra. Their hearts are hearts like in Vedic civilization. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Naisha Nikesh Kanjara from 8th A. Roll number 15. I am performing the geothermal satellite. This is the satellite, and this is our Earth, which revolves around the Earth and gives information about the volcanic eruptions and other type of disasters. Yes, sir.
And this is the sources of history. This is material sources of history. People live in huts and use campfire to camp the fire. And this is the stones. This is pot, and this is old coins. And this is the real sources of history. And this is the oral sources of history, like folk dances, etc. Thank you.
Good morning.
I have made this human evolution. Here this is waterfall, cave, some trees, animals, and this. Yeah, this is my chart.
Good morning. My name is Farooqi Javed, and this is my Stone Age tools model. Here is hand axe, scrapper, stone mallets, spear, pickaxe, axe, and flint emerald. Here's my chart. I use your phone to create it.
This is rain gauge. A rain gauge is an instrument used to measure rainfall over a specific period of time. As you can see here, rain is fallen now. It is a collector funnel, and this is measuring cylinder for measurement. You can see 3 cm of about rain is fallen.
And as we know, there is 6 or 7 parts of physical division of India: the Himalaya mountain, eastern and western Ghat, the Deccan Plateau, the northern Plateau.
This is French national model. This is Westlight Castle. This is Westlight City tennis court, and this is headquarters. French Revolution gave a revolutionary change to the world. Due to French Revolution, monarchy changed into democracy, and government, liberty and equality came in the existence. French Revolution gave a major change to the world. It gave existence of government.
Good morning, sir.
Mata.
This is
Good morning.
India and neighboring countries. This is India. India is the 7th largest country area-wise. It shares its boundary with 7 different countries such as Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh. Afghanistan is famous for woolen carpets and other different types of handicrafts. India will be get developed soon. It has very different culture, and diversity and unity is its policy. Bangladesh is capitalist. Thank you.
Good morning,
Undo
sir.
to. Yeah.
I am Palak Krishwari from 7th A, representing 7th A's history exhibit. The special part of my exhibit is that it is totally eco-friendly. No plastic or thermocol was used during the making of this exhibit. This is the Indus Valley. The civilization was flourished along it. This is the mountain, the upper town of the civilization. This is the priest king. These are the systematic houses aligned together. The interior of the houses were cube shaped. Besides it, it is the marketplace, and this is the burial ground. People used to bury the body in the soil, and also used to bury the pots along with it. They used to believe that there is an afterlife after the death of the body, so they can use these pots in their afterlife. This is the well, and this is the great bath. It was very huge. All the people used to come and take the bath here. This is the warehouse and food storage. They used to store weapons, tools, grades in this place. The civilization consisted of 2 cities. First is Harappa, and second is Mohenjo-daro. These are the ornaments, tools, seals, utensils, etc. They used. The people in the Indus Valley civilization practiced several activities such as hunting, animal husbandry, trading,
main occupation they used to practice was agriculture, which we have showcased here. Through this project, we have showcased the several life aspects of Indus Valley civilization. I hope you like it.
Good morning, my name is Gargi Sandesh Patel and today I have presented the project Save Earth. So you can see there are polluted air, cutting trees and the land is dry. So on the other side we can see the greenery of the trees and some renewable energies like wind power. So there are many renewable energies like solar energy, geothermal energy, biogas, etc. There are many organizations that helps to save the earth like NGO, WWF and many more. Thank you.
एकदा बोलून दाखव उभी राहून.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Myself Patil Shraddha and my team members Ananya Yeliketi and Aditya Pawar. This is our history model on democracy. In this model, we have tried to explain about judiciary, human rights and politics. Judiciary is a branch of law that interprets the government, settles disputes and administers justice to all the citizens. It consists of mechanism of court. We can approach this court if any law is violated. Second, human rights. Human rights are a set of rights which are given to everyone regardless of his caste, creed, sex, religion, culture. Human rights are important because they protect people's dignity and ensure that everyone has opportunity to live a life full of dignity. And last, politics. Politicians are the biggest source of discrimination between caste, culture, between Hindus and Muslims. In this speech, they provoke us to vote for them and influence us about discrimination. We should be careful while choosing our leaders. They also give us money as bribe to vote for them. At last, all we have tried to explain in this project is about democracy. Democracy is for the people, of the people and by the people. Thank you.
भारत पुराने प्रोजेक्ट के लिए नाउ बोल अरे कितनी बार माझ्या बोल नाही ओके ओके
Good morning everyone. My name
Good
is
morning.
Pranjala Vidisha. Today we are going to delve into a crucial environmental phenomenon known as greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane and water vapor absorb some of this heat, preventing it from escaping back into the space. Thank you.
Good, very good.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Patel Software and I need this kaleidoscope and attach this and see from this pole you can see the different patterns. Like this.
Very good.
Thank you. Good morning, myself Bhargav Vivek Chowgule and my model name is respiratory system. So this with the help of syringe as we pull the balloons are filled with air, this means we inhale carbon oxygen and as I pull the syringe, the air which was filled in this came out. This means we exhale carbon dioxide. Thank you. Excuse me. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Ashlesh Ankesh Gujare from 6th B. This is an sewage water purification process, which sewage water purification is a process that allows the sewage to get purified from the water, and this purified water is used in different ways. This motor helps the water to pump upwards, and then by different pipe changes mixed with small stones, coal, sand and cotton, the water is getting purified.
Very good.
Thank you.
काय केलं
This is the light and shadow experiment. As I on the torch, the shadow comes from the light. But as I
Good morning.
This is the human digestive system, and this is the mouth. From here, the food goes to this pipe called esophagus. The esophagus transfers the food to our liver. Then the food goes into the stomach, where some processes are being done. Then into the gallbladder, then the pancreas, then small intestine, and then large intestine. Then it finally goes into the anus, where the waste leaves are made.
Very good.
Working lemon battery.
Let's see if the solution is lemon.
See this is
Okay, okay. Let's see if the solution is lemon battery. Good, good, very good.
It is a food chain which shows how energy moves through an ecosystem by damaging the transfer of energy through an organism.
Hydroelectric power plant.
This is hydroelectric electric stationary power plant.
Electric bell.
इसको ऑन किया तो पास
काय गेलं हा इलेक्ट्रिक करंट
Myself, P. Gaitar from 7C. My model is fundamental rights. This is right to freedom. This is right to equality. This is right against religion. This is right to exploitation, culture and remedies. And this is Constitution Book of India. We should follow the Constitution properly and law and orders.
then Janvi Jadhav छान छान
My model is the layers of atmosphere. There are 5 layers. First troposphere, second stratosphere, third mesosphere, fourth thermosphere and fifth exosphere.
very good
Good morning.
बोल बे
Good morning. Myself Ajinkya Jain. Today I am representing my model, the Harappan Great Bath. It was located in the Mohenjo-daro, Pakistan. It was built around 2500 BCE. It was the part of ancient Indus civilization. This is the Harappan Great Bath. Temple, house, food storage place, and well. Thank you.
वो हवा का
Organic plant.
बोल
Organic plant.
गुड मॉर्निंग काय सोलर वाटर सिस्टम एक्सप्लेन कर
This is a solar water. It is mainly used in winter for heating the water. It is very eco-friendly. It is used by some people for various tasks like bathing,
personal hygiene, etc.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Veda.
This is a volcanic eruption. The volcano is made from earth crust that in the vent that this is the crater. Crater is a ball shape that in the top of the volcano, and this is called magma. Magma chamber is in the volcano. Like here is a volcano chamber that comes to the truth and through from volcano. Then the air comes. Then they make love.